Our officials of this ball game is referee Eric Aspen, referee MJ Delia, and Richard referee Noise Bona. And here's our jump ball. First quarter, first possession goes to Bata Cavite. He's facing himself now. Ball up. And from down low to roll. To number 31. Vincent Mendoza opening up the scoreboard. He was our ball game of his Patrick Sultay with a leather. Feeds away, no miss. Even goes to roll. He's got it now on the trail. And off. Loses. Here is Cacho. Russell on the right side corner. He's up against Jungan. Off to Ares. Shot clock is winding down. Rodrigue making his way in off the glass. As Rodrigue opening up the scoreboard for 18. We're tied at 2 points. Who is he? Red. Apollo rather. Off to Rex. Rodrigue. Gomez. Good back shot. One goal, even goes to Aris. And up to Punsalan, here's Patrick. The Sultay drop pass. Cacho with the reverse, nowhere to go. Even goes to Jungan. Here's Yasser. All the way to roll. Gabat now. On the train he goes. Even goes to Robin. Here's Punsalan. Patrick is up against Rex. Right side pass for 3. Crossover miss. Vivan goes to roll. Here's Gabat now. Last big pass. Jonathan with the reception. Kick out. Follow for 3. Nowhere to go. Vivan goes to Vincent. Mendoza. Jumper. That is short. And for loose ball off on the polo. Gabat. On the train. Kick out pass to Vincent. Mendoza shots far. That is too strong. Vivan goes. Ball goes out of bounds. Ball stays. With 14 seconds on the shot clock. Here is Gabat now. Raw. Follow. Back to Raw. Left side pass to Rex for 3. Gomez, man for the loose leather. Makakuha ni Janken. Yasser off to Vincent. Mendoza. Cross-court pass. Polo hesitation. Will attack. Off the shot. Gomez. Even goes to Polo again. Shot number 10. Polo down low. On the pass. Ball goes the other way. Almost 3 minutes is gone by. Now here is Patrick Punsalan. All the way to Aris. Rodrigue on the top of Quito Russell. Cacho making his way in. Using up some muscles. And a 2. First 2 points for Russell Cacho on the get-go. Now here is Rock. Gabat to Rex. Gabat for 3. Misses. Polo puts up the shot. Misses 2. But for the loose leather, Makakuha Yadero. Gabat to Vincent. Who's on that one? Vivan goes to Rex. Nowhere to go. Vivan goes to Rodrigue. Now here's Cacho. Russell showing some skills. That will be an offensive foul call of number 13. That is Russell Cacho. His first personal foul. First team foul for 18. Now here is Rex. Gabat. Some jumper. Got it. First 2 points for Rex Gabat. Gomez, Vivan goes to Vincent. Mendoza has a little now, hand off to Polo. And that will be a trampoline. Turnover for Bata Cavite, and we're tied at 4 points now. Now here is Russell Cacho to Aris. Oh, that is number 17 rather. Here's Gabat, Polo. There's a whistle down there. Holding foul on number 17. That is Eddie Hayag. His first whistle foul, 17 foul. 18 on the shot clock. Ball Rex on the inbound. Tumpolo for 3. Gomez, rebound goes to Rob. Gabat winding it up. Lays it in for 2. Batang Kawit is now up by 2. Here's Patrick Pesuntay with the leather. To the middle to Gonzal. Addis loses it. Ball picks up by Rex. Here's the break now. Johnson picks up the leather. On the top of the key to Polo. To Rex. As Nation. He is blocked by Addis. Ball picks up by Pesuntay. Patrick Russell. Cacho. Losing up the leather. Ball goes the other way. Substitution. Roy Castillo checks in for the first time as low game for Epi Hayag. Batang Cavite still up by 2 points, 6 to 4. Rex for 3. Bang! Rex Gabat! 3! And at last, Rex Gabat explodes from the 3-point county. Now here's Addis. Down low, gets the basket. The one. The foul is called on number 17. That is Rex Gabat. Rex committed his first personal foul, first team foul. Bonus shot for Addis Rodriguez. 3-point completes for Addis behind the free throw area. Now they are down by 2 points. Here's Polo now. On the leather, lays it in. This is rebound goes to Addis, and here's looking down. On the pickup, he goes to Punsalan. Patrick on the trail to the right side. Roy. No, rebound goes to Russell. Cacho to Pesuntay. Patrick on the handle. Shot clock 10. To the middle. Rodriguez making his way in, announcing his presence inside the shaded area. We're tied there on 9. Johnson kicks out. Passes to the wrong man. So here's Pesuntay to Russell, stolen by Polo. Gabat on the middle, carry the basket and run. That is on number 8. That is Roy Castillo committed his first personal foul, 13 foul. One shot for Polo Gabat. Polo Gabat completes the 3-point play behind the free throw line. Now here's Patrick Pesuntay. They are down by 3 points. Setting up the play. Picking up the pace. He's up against Rob. The shot misses. Rebound by number 12. Foul on number 12. That is John D. Cavite. His first personal foul, 14 foul. 17 foul rather. So here's ball now. On the get-go. On this, time for the loose letter, Mama Kurhak, Ikabike. Shot clock 11 seconds. We should right now. Polo with attack. Down the lane, Gomez. Ball for the loose board. Mabuhayan at 18. Here's the layup from Russell Gomez. Ball goes out of bounds. Ball stays with 18. Shot clock at 14. Here is number 2 now. On the pick-up shot. Got it. First 2 points by JP Rabe. And announcing his presence here at our bowl game. And they're up by 2 points now. Here's the kick-out pass, stolen by Russell. What a smart play there. Ball goes to 18. A race Patrick Resultan with a leather on the setup. He's up against Ray. Process using up the spin from JD. Shot clock is winding down. Good day. Process rebound goes to Dave. Javier all the way to Polo. Gaba to the left side. Ray down low to Dave. Yes sir. So here's Patrick Resultan now. We're tied once again at 14 points apiece. Up to Roy. Castillo. Ball stolen there. Now here is Polo. Gaba to Reds. Timeout. 18. Here's Pinsalan. All the way to Alice. To the green on the top of the key. Hand up to Russell. Hacho. He's up against Polo. Shot clock is waiting down. Up to Pinsalan. Patrick takes it over. Loses the handle. Spins it up. And there's a whistle there. Foul column number 4. That is Reynaldo Reyes. His first personal foul. 13 foul. Shot clock at 14. Here's Roy. Castillo to the right side. Out of bounds. Ball goes the other way. Here's Ray on the break. Up to Richard. Raffles to Rex. Inside to Dave. Javier Gomez. Rebound goes to Polo. This is the wrong end. Ball picks up by Polo. Gaba inside and he is fouled. Foul call number 24. That is Addison Levine, his first personal foul. 14 foul. First shot goes in for Polo. That is a miss. 40 seconds to go here on our opening trade. Now here is Addison Levine. On about the key kicks out of Pinsalan. Patrick to JP. Rabe making his move. That will be a foul on number 4. That is Reynaldo Reyes. His second personal foul. 14 foul. 14 on the shot clock. Break now. Addis picks it up. Lays it in for 2. Lead is down to a point. Shot clock is off. 15 seconds remaining. It's Polo Gaba with the leather. Using up the speed from Ray. He attacks. Kick out pass. Rex for 3. Overshoots that one. 2 seconds to go. That ends our first quarter. And we're back to the game. Here's the start of our second period. Now here is Addis to JD. Rabe down low, getting the basket and 1. Foul call number 12, that is Dave Javier. His second personal foul, first team foul. One shot for JP Rabe. Three points now for JP Rabe. off the 3-point play behind the free throw area. Now here is Gaba. Rex on the pickup. Jumper misses. Rebound goes to JP. Rabe on the play to catch off. Stolen by Rex. Gaba now on the pickup. He's up against 2. Used it, and there's a whistle down there. Foul on number 4. That's his Patrick Bunsalan. His first personal foul, first team foul. 17 on the shot clock. Luis Reyes. All the way to the Opio. Gerald. To Raffles. Back to Reyes. Shot clock at 8. Reyes to the Opio. Gerald making his way in. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Kick out pass. Good game. Good ball. Here's Adams moving now on the field. Behind the back moves. Lays it in for 2. 11 points now for Adams Levine. Now here's the pick off. Pick and roll play here. And Rex Gaba with a beautiful finish on the layup. Here's Adams Levine once again. To JP to the high post. Jump shot. Got it. 3 points there for JP Rabe. Here is Gaba to Reyes. Up to Rodney. Gaba to the Opio. Gerald swings it over to outside. For 3. Yes, sir. Rex Gaba. 3. Lead is down to a point. Double fouls fall on. Number 10, Rodney Gaba, that is first personal. And number 8, Roy Castillo. That is second personal foul on Roy Castillo and first personal foul on Rodney Gaba. Substitution. JD Mangudisma checks in for Richard Raffles. 11 seconds to shoot. JP with that reception there. Off the glass will miss. Manipulations more well by the Reyes. It's 3. On the bail. To JD. Winding it up. Misses. Rex down low. And he is fouled. Foul number 17. That is Epi Hayat committing his second personal foul. 13 foul. 2 shots for Rex Gaba. First shot goes in for Rex. That'll be 2 out of 2 for Rex. Out of bounds, more goes the other way, substitution. Now here's Rex to Rodney. Hesitation, over 3. Misses, rebound goes to JD. Ibakilis na Kinsel. Rex for 3. Kaboom! Hello. Now here's Roy Castillo now on the pickup. With attack. Getting the basket and the one. Foul number 10, that is Rodney Gaba. His second personal foul. 13 foul. Bonus shot for Roy Castillo. And this 27-25 is our score. 2-point advantage by Batang Cavite. Here's Rex. 40 again. That is short this time. Ivan goes to first. Madera hand up to Patrick. Punsalan has it now. Up to JP. Rabe for three. Too strong on that one. Back for the loose board. Out of bounds. Substitution. Patrick resulta check saying for Patrick Punsalan. He has 15 points now for Rex Gava. Arista Uplo. Forward jumper. Lopez. Back for the loose board. Mamo Kruha and the Sacred. Season to Rex. He's up against Resultai. Shaka is winding down. 5 seconds to shoot. Polo making his way in. Fades away. In and out. Back for the loose board. Ball goes out of bounds. Ball squeeze. Right now. Batak Cavite. 27 to 25 is our score. 2-point advantage still for Batak Cavite. With 6 minutes and 23 seconds remaining here on our second quarter. First half. 14 on the shot clock. JD for lane. Lopez. Ivan goes to JP. Here's the break now. Roy will fly. Touchdown. Seven points now for Roy Castillo. Here is street play. Season kicks out. JD for three. Miss again. But Kaupio is there. This is still. Wall picks up by JD. Evangelista down low. Gerald up the gas. First 2 points for Gerald Kaupio. Now here is JP Rabe. Sings it over to Roy. John Roy on the top of the key. Hands off to Resultai. Shaka at 8. Down low to JP. Rabe using up his size. And punching in that 2 points. We're tied once again at 29 points apiece. What a exchange of basket from both teams. So here's Gerald Kaupio. One-handed shot. Too strong. Rebound goes to Epi. Hayag to Roy. Castillo to Resultai. Up to JP. Rabe with the leather. Setting this one up. And the whistle is there. Foul call number 1. That is Secret Season. His first personal foul. 14 foul. 14 on the shot clock. He's Resultai on the inbound. Hand up to JP. Rabe now. Shots fired. Got it! Here's Red Collar now with a good answer. Now here is Russell Cacho. Elbow jumper. Misses. Ball goes to Rex. And here's Labat now. On the pick up. Low player. Kick out pass. JD has it. Fades away. And there is a whistle down the air. Foul number 9, that is Patrick Resultai. His first personal foul. Substitution. 2 shots for JD Evangelista. First shot goes in for JD. One out two for him. Rebound goes to Epi. Hayag has it. Hand up to Pacho. Here's Russell now. He's up against Polo. With attack the rim. Set this one up. Making his way in. Using up some muscles. Off the glass. Got it. Here's the big now. There's the whistle. The foul is on number 15, that is Prince Madera. His first personal foul. Substitution. Richard Raffles for JD Bautista. 2 shots for Rob Gabat. First shot goes in for Rob. Make it safe for him. It's Patrick Resultay. Hand off from Patrick. JP. Back to Resultay. Off the court shot. Russell lays it in. Touchdown. 4 straight points for Russell Cacho. 6 points for him. Now here is Paulo. Gabat for 3. Misses. Rebound goes to Russell. Here's Cacho with a letter. They will run. Lead pass. Down there. The shot is good. For first. Here is Siegfried. Season with a letter. On the setup. To Rob. Back to Siegfried. Season. Up against Patrick. Forward jumper. Misses the 2-1-up. Ball goes to Richard. Here is Raffles. All the way down the lane. And there's a whistle. That foul is all on number 2. That is JP Rabbit. His first personal foul. 2 shots for Richard Raffles. Substitution. Addis Rodriguez checks in for JP Rabbit. One number 2 for Raffles. Here's Patrick back on the inbound of the Russell. Cacho now. On the open way to Addis. Rodriguez handoff to Cacho. Here's the play now. Russell with attack. Making his way in. No miss. Rebound goes to Raffles. So here's Richard now on the open way. 3-wheeling drive. Off the glass. Touchdown! 3 straight points for Richard Raffles. Here's Russell, ball stolen by Raffles. Here's Richard now. Good attack. Down low pass to Siegfried. Got it! Timeout! 18. And we are back to our ball game. The lead is back to Gabat Cavite 38-27. Here's Patrick Consolan. And up on Resultay to Russell. Cacho on the pickup. He's up against Jungan. To Patrick. Winding it up. Down the lane. Got it. Now here is Paulo. On the setup he goes. He's up against Consolan. Well attack. Charging foul. Ball at number 7. That is Paulo Gabat. Paulo with his first personal foul. Here's Russell on the inbound to Addis. Rodriguez to Patrick. Resultay has it now to Birds. Mandela hesitation. Russell on the pickup. Spins. Wide open. Lays it in Quintel. Russell Cacho making things done for 18. Now they're up by 2. Here's Rob Gabat. Richard Raffles now on the pickup shot. Yes, sir. 7 points now for Richard Raffles. Here's the setup now. Goes home there. Here's Rob Gabat trailing. Ball stolen by Resultay. Here's Patrick. Still have a minute and 15 remaining. Consolan handoff to Patrick. Resultay setting up the tempo to Rodriguez. Addis picks up. 10 on their shot clock. Kick out. Consolan for 3. Too short of that one. Rebound goes to Jonathan. Here's Yasser now. Ball out of bounds. Ball stays with 18 seconds to shoot. Substitution. Rodney Gabat checks in now. Together with Jimmy Bautista for Giant Yasser and Richard Grapples. 18 to shoot. Here is Gaba. Polo. He is blocked by Addis. Here's the red now. Patrick picks it up to Munzalan. All the way to Ferds. Sizing is right in. Still have a couple of seconds remaining here with our second quarter. 18 was up by 2. Siegfried. Hesitation. Polo inside. Got it. 17 seconds remaining. Shot clock is off. 17 seconds to go here with our first half. Here is Bunzalan. Off the wrestle. Cacho to Aris. Rodrigue for a jumper. Yes, sir. Here's the spin. The pass. And that ends our second quarter. With the official score 45 to 43. 2-point advantage enjoyed by 18 entering our second half. And here's the start of our third quarter. This way, starting it off for Batang Cavite. Reyes, both all in there. Here's the break now, it's Sultay. All the way down the lane. Now here is Reyes. To Polo for 3. Gomez. Opens up by Reyes. Inside the Ross. Ross Rodriguez getting his first 2 points of this ball game. And here's 18 now, looking to attack. Sultay all the way to Aris. Rodrigue. Shots fired, misses. Steven Leroy. Castillo with the reverse. Gomez. Here's Batang Cavite now, looking to attack. Reyes. Rugabat. Rex. Passes down the lane. Stolen there by Rodrigue. All the way to Rabe. Here's JP now. Setting this one up for 18. The Sultay to Rodrigue. Alice to the corner. Nanny to 3. Overshoots that one. Rebound goes to Rex. Use Gabat now. Use up against Rodrigue. Stop it, Pop J. Now, rebound goes to Rodrigue. Off to Castillo. John Ray now. Downward pass to Rabe. JP making his way in. Stolen there by Polo. He's got it now. Making his way down the lane. Yes, sir. We're tied once again at 47 points apiece. With 2 minutes gone by. Here in our third quarter, here's Patrick Sultay. Lays it in. Touchdown. It's a big now for Batang Cavite. To Vincent Mendoza, punching his way in. We're tied once again at 49. Sultay. Patrick to the left side. Nanip. All the way to Patrick. To Roy. Shot clock at 8. 5 seconds to shoot. The drive is there. JP, one-handed shot, and there's the whistle. Foul call on number 31. That is Vincent Mendoza, his first personal foul, first team foul. Drove shot to miss for JP Rabbit. One out, two for him. They're up by a point, 50-49. Here's Ray. Reyes handoff to follow. Gabat using up the pick from Ross. Crossword pass. Ray for three. Nowhere to go. Zero just to whistle time. Goal scoring there. Ray Polo. Gabat now. Charging it up. Legal pass. Ball picks up. Perez. Here's Gabat. Jump shot. Short. Fire for the loose board. Malalabas. Mananatili. Sa Batang Cavite with 14 seconds on the shot clock. Here's Rex. Here's Rabi now. Down the lane, getting the basket and the one. Foul number 4. That is Ray Reyes. Committed his third personal foul. Second team foul. What a shot for JP Rabbit. Three-point return against this for JP, but they're up by 3 points, 52-49. Now here is Polo. Hand up to the right side, back to Polo. 8 on the shot clock, Polo will attack. 5 seconds to shoot. Ball goes the other way. Turn over once again for Batang Cavite. Here's the right handoff, back to Patrick. To Russell. Thatcher has it now. 5 on the shot clock. Ball is loose. Ball goes the other way. Turn over for 18. But they're still up by as much as 3 points. 52-49. With almost half the minutes. Here in our third quarter, here is Rom. Gabat passes to Vincent Mendoza. Oh, that is Gerald Dauplo rather on that shot. Lead is down to a point. 52-51. And here is Roy. Castillo. He got pass. JP. Shots fired. Misses. Rebound goes to Dauplo. Up the road, now here's Gabat now on the tail. He will fall down. And there's a whistle down there. The foul is on number 9. That is Patrick Resultay. His second personal foul, first team foul. 20 on the shot clock for Batang Cavite. Here's Rob Gabat now with a letter. Using up the pick from Gerald. And there's a whistle. Pushing foul on number 4, that is Patrick Punzalan. His second personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for Rob Gabat. First shot goes in for Roy, tying up the whole game to 52. And now they're up by a point, 53-52. Well, here is Resultay to Russell. 15 on the shot clock. Picks up to JP. Rabe to the corner. Kick on pass. Patrick will drive, will miss. Para for the loose board, makukuha ni Resultay. Kicks out to Cacho, lays it in, will miss again. Rebound goes to legs. Here's Gabat now. On the way he goes. He will fly to his brother. And Rob finishes that 2 points. 5 straight points for Rob Gabat. Here's the shot by now. 2-3. Addis making his way in. Lays it in and out. Rebound goes to Vincent. Mendoza to follow. Gabat crosses. Crosscourt pass to Rob. Hesitation. Stop and pop J. There's a put back by Rex. Here's Patrick Showtime with the letter. They are down by 5 now. 57 to 52. There's a whistle. Foul on number 25. That is Geraldo Oplo. His first personal foul. 13 foul. Lead is down to 3 points, 57 to 54. This Rob picks up the leather all the way to follow. Down low to Vincent. Twice up the shot, too strong. Rebound goes to Gerald. Rex for 3. Bang! Rex Gabat! 3! 5 straight points for Rex Gabat. Here's Russell. Gomez fighting for the loose board. Ball goes out of bounds, ball stays 14 on the shot clock for 18. Out of there, stolen by Rob. Rex picks it up. Step back 3. In and out. There's a foul down there. Foul on number 26, that's Rob Gabat. His first personal foul, 14 foul. Now here's Patrick Ponsalan. They're only down by 6 points, 60 to 54, off the birds. Madera back to Patrick, to Russell. That will be a whistle. A foul is called on number 31, that is Vincent Mendoza. Penalty. Second personal foul on Vincent Mendoza. 2 free throws for JP Rabbit. First up goes in for JP. Two out of 2 for JP Rabbit in the middle area. Now here's Batang Cavite now looking to attack. Rob crosses over using up the pick from the Outlaw. Once again. Here's the big play. The block is there. Shot clock at 11 seconds. The Outlaw picks it up. Off to Polo. Will attack. Goes high up. Misses. Rebound goes to JP. 18 will attack now. Robin inside to Russell. There in the basket. Make a 7 foul. Foul number 25 is the Outlaw. His second personal foul. For a shot for Russell Catchell. Peter shot will miss for Russell. The lead is down to 2 points. 2 minutes remaining here in our third quarter. Ball for 3. Misses. Ball for the loose board. Makukuha yan ni Aris. And here's looking now. Ball stolen there. Regs. The shot is missed. Ball goes the other way. It's Patrick Gonzala now. A minute and 35 remaining. Up to JP. Rabe to Gonzalan. Asking for a pick to first. Madera to JP to the high post. Making his way in. Pass is stolen there. Here's Rex now. Hand off. Stolen by Madera. He's first now. Lead pass to Russell. Cacho. Step back Jay. Fades away. Back-to-back points for Russell Cacho. Tying up the ball game to 16. This follow for the quick answer. He's looking out. Rabe. Kakayod Palahong getting the contact and a foul. Foul call at number 12. That's Dave Rabique. His third personal foul. 2 shots for JP Rabe. Another missed free throw for JP Rabe. He is down to a point, 62-61, with less than a minute remaining. Here is Paulo. He's up against Patrick. Using up the pick, hesitation drive, with attack. He is blocked. Jamie picks up the letter. Off the Aris. Rodrigo will attack. Goes all the way to the ball. Paulo the basket. Head one. Foul number 12, that is 4th personal foul on Dave Rabique. Bonus free throw for Aris Rodrigo. Shot on the top. 15 seconds to go. Rock for the 3. Yes, sir. Rob Gava. 3. 5 seconds remaining. The shot is there. This is Rabe now. Foul number 26, that is Rob Gabat. Second personal foul on Rob. 2 free throws for Russell Cacho. One of the 2 for Russell Cacho. Here's the start of our 4th and final quarter. Here's a feed. Patrick Gomez. Ball goes to Rex. Here's Gavat now. Will fail. He will stop. Hand off to Paulo. The ring. To Gerard. Gomez. Ivan goes to JP. Patrick Mitchell right now to first. Sees it over to the corner. Russell will attack. Cacho fades away. Gomez. Rebound goes to Gava. This foul now. Loading it up. And there's a whistle. Foul number 2. That is JP Rabe. Committed his 2nd personal foul. First team foul. Shot clock up 20 seconds. Here's Paulo. On the setup. Using up the pick, down low pass. Roses picks up by JP, up to first. Madera, loading it up, drop pass, Russell inside, yes sir. Working push now for Russell Cacho, here's Richard Raffles to the Oplo. Right-handed shot Gomez, ball picks up by Robin. Here's status now, on the play. He stops, up to Resultay. Yes, a pass, jumper, timeout! Bata Cavite. All the is done by Himmeler, fourth and final quarter. 18 is up by 3 points, 68 to 65. What a turn of events. It's a break now. A pressure defense applied by Patrick Resultay on the top of the key. Here's Polo. Setting up the tempo for DC. Corner pass, Richard. To the middle, Vincent. Overshoots. Ball picks up by JP. Here's Rabe, handoff to Resultay. They will set this one up. Patrick, to the middle, Aris now, spins. 3 seconds violation. Substitution. Ron Galvin in for Richard Raffles. And here is Paulo. Galvin on the setup, using up the pick from his brother. Reyes kicks it out. Paulo winding it up all the way down the lane, getting the basket and one. The foul is called on number 2. That is JP Rabe, committed his third personal foul. One shot goes in for Paulo, tying up the ball game to 68. He's first Madera on the setup. Hands off to Resultay. Patrick down low. JP inside, getting the basket, like a Solomon foul. Foul ball number 7, that is Paul Gabba. Committed his second personal foul. First team foul. On the sweet roll for JP Rabe. This is again. Here is Paulo. Using up the pick for Ray. Misses. Right for the loose ball from Reyes. Kicks out the Rex. To the corner. 10 on the shot clock. Rodney has rotation. Hands up to his brother. 5 seconds to shoot. Paul will attack. Basket counted is there. All players, please proceed to respective benches. Once again, players, please proceed to the shading area. Basket counted. We're tied at 17. Here's Patrick Resultay to JP. Rabe picks up. He will attack. Goes all the lane. Misses. JP once again. Into the contact and a foul. Foul ball number 31. That is Vincent Mendoza. Vincent committed his third personal foul. Second team foul. It is 2 free throws for JP Rabbit. Another service from the free throw area for JP. Second shot will go for JP. They're up by a point, 71 to 17. Now here is Paolo Gamat. Picks up the ladder. Off the Rex. He's up against Patrick. Jump step. On the screen from Vincent. Rob has it for Dave. Boom! Rob Gamat! 3! Correction, that is only a long 2 for Rob Gamat. It's a break now. Russell has it. We can foul on number 36, that is Rob Gamat, committed his 3rd personal foul. 13th foul. 72 to 71 is our score. Patrick has it now. 5 on the shot clock. Ball stolen there. Out of bounds. Ball stays 3 seconds on the shot clock. Russell for the reception. Shot clock violation. And here is Paul now. Gamat with the ladder. On the setup, using up the screen. Courtney. Gomez, Vivan Gonzalez. Here's Rodri now. We're ending the halfway mark of this moving final quarter. Foul number 26. That is Rob Gamat, his 4th personal foul. 14th foul. Once again, 4th personal foul on Rob Gamat, 14th foul. Seventeen seconds on the shot clock. Oscar pass. Patrick. Deep down. To Kunsalan. 10 on the shot clock. Last pass stolen there. He strikes now. All the way down the lane. Timeout. 18. Here's Addison again. Hand off to the Sultan. Patrick. On the top of the team. On the setup. 2-0 to Kunsalan. Back to the Sultan. Stolen there by Reyes. It's Rey now. Touchdown. What a steal there from Reynaldo Reyes. And there's another steal from Rey. Here's Reyes. Popping his way in. 4 points conversion on that steal from Reynaldo Reyes. They're up by 7 points. 78 to 71. 17 on the shot clock. Here's JP for the reception. Hand off to Rodri. There's JP. Robbie has it now. Spins. He is penalty. Warning bench off. Batang Cavite for improper bench negoro. It is 4th personal foul on Vincent Mendoza. Version goes in for JP. It is 2 out of 2 for Punsalan. Substitution. Roy Castillo checks in for Patrick Punsalan. Here's Rex Gabat now. All the way to follow. 15 on the shot clock. Rex for Dave. Nowhere to go. Rebound goes for Reyes. Out of nowhere there. Here's follow once again. 10 on the shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. Follow. Process. Shot clock violation. To 73 still our score, 5-point advantage by Batang Cavite. Here's John Roy. Castillo hand up to Resultay. Patrick to the right side to Russell. Cacho now. Back to Roy. Kick out pass, cross forward. 10 on the shot clock. Down to Anis. For the demolition shot. He's double figures now for Anis Sabin. 78 to 75 steals our score. 10 on the shot clock. Corner pass, back to Polo, to Rex. With attack. High up shot. Misses. Rebound goes to JP. Here's Ravi now. To Russell. Pache. Out of bounds. Both stays. 18 seconds to shoot. Substitution. $18 seconds on the shot clock. Holding foul on number 4, that's Reynaldo Reyes, his 4th personal foul. Penalty. 2 free throws for Anis Levine. First shot goes in for Anis. For him, lead is down to a point, 78 to 77. Till anybody's pro game. Here is Polo Gabat the Rex. He's up against Roy. Step back J. Misses. Rebound goes to Anis. Stand up to JP. Here's rounding out to Roy. Castillo. Misses. Rebound goes to Gerald. Here's Roy now. Goes over there. Hand off. Anis. To Resultay. To the left side, to JP. Raven. Get in the contact, and a foul. Foul number 25. That is Gerald Opro. Right now, Batang Cavite. It is 3rd personal foul, Gerald Opro. Batang Cavite on the penalties. It is 2 free throws for JP Rabe. First shot goes in for JP. Tying up the whole game to 78. 18, 79 to 78. Under 2 minutes remaining, here is Colorado on a setup. 10 on the shot clock. What will you do here? Rex for the reception. 3 for 3. Misses. Rebound goes to JP. Here's Ravi now. Hands it over to Resultai. Here's Patrick. Setting it up for 18. They're up by a single point. To the left side. Back to Patrick. 10 on the shot clock. Down low to Iris. They're that high in the score play. Basket counted and one. Foul call on number 9. That is Patrick Resultai. His third personal foul. Second team foul. What a shot for Polo Nava. We are tied once again at 8-1. Here's the lead. Last 2 minutes! And Jake Robin setting this one home. Warning for delay in the game. Number 2, JP Rabi of 18. There's a crucial shot there from Polo. Here's Russell. Nacho kicks out. Down low. Both stays. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Substitution. Geraldo projects in. On the shot clock. 13 seconds to shoot. Pass there for Cacho. Charging it up. Kick a pass. Roll for 3. Nacho on the side up. Missing it, picks it up. Through some line. Back to shoot. Down to the perimeter. Here is Walt now. A minute remaining. To Gavak. 15 on the shot clock. Back to Walt. The shot. Misses. Rebound by Reyes. To Paulo. Jump shot. In and out. Reyes. He's blocked. Resulta picks it up. Labang sila ng isa. Roy. To Russell. Roy with it. Castillo is out. Down to go. He will set this one up. He will attack. Good pass. Misses. Reyes is there. Foul is there. Foul on number 2. That is JP Rabe. His 4th personal foul. Fourth personal foul, JP Rabe, 13 foul. Two free throws for Rex Gava. First shot is missed.
Between the shot clock and the game clock, we are all tied at 86 all. With quarterfinals of DPBL Season B, the winning team will advance to the semifinals. Here we go, off the timeout. What will be the answer for the A team? With 10 on the clock remaining, here's PJ off the Russell. Back to attack with a jumper. Go! Candy Benjamin's ball, 5 seconds on the shot clock. He fails, speed. There is a foul. There is a foul on that shot. There is a foul. Foul is called on play number 9. Penalty situation. There is a foul. All 86. 2 free throws will be given. Penalty situation for both teams. First free throw is missed. With 2.34 seconds remaining. Misses a goal! Pippen will go, one tap out! And that is our fourth quarter. We are going to overtime. Extra 5 minutes of ball game.
Here's Rex with the reception. He's up against Punsalan. Using up the screen, launches the three. Hey! Rex Gaba! 3! Here is Patrick Mesotay. PJ. Looking for someone to the middle. Ricky. One stolen there. Here is Siegfried now. Season the Rex. Ball stops. Stolen there. Rodrigue. Winding it out. Starting his way in. There's a whistle. Foul number 24. That is Addis Rodriguez's second personal foul. For Paulo. One out, 2 for him. Ruby, Rabe, all the way to PJ, to Patrick, Punsalan to the left side corner. That will be a foul. Foul. Ball number 5, that is Richard Raffles. His first personal foul. 2 free throws for Russell Cacho. That goes in for Russell. A miss. A point advantage for Batang Aguitin of Houston Rex Gaba. Forward 1 minute is gone by here in our overtime for 3. Nowhere to go. Rebound by JP. Raven. Ball snap out. Ball stays with 18. With 21 seconds on their shot clock. Now here's PJ. Initial tie to Punsalan. For 3. Gomez. By the loose board. Now there's here. Bola mapupunta sa Batang Aguitin. Here is Paulo Gaba. Setting this one up for BC. Using up the pick. Shot clock is winding down. Even attack. No destination jumper. Got it. 90 points now for Polo Gabat. Here's PJ Resultay. Shot clock at 10. Gunzalan to the left side. Catch for 3. Too strong. Rebound goes to Rodriguez. Here is Siegfried now. Double happening. Substitution. Polo Gabat is back. Checks in for Siegfried season. Gunzalan. Patrick on the setup. From downtown. Miss. That felt short. Now here's Rex Gabat. On the pickup. He's up against Russell. Westward pass to all. Gabat fakes. Shots fired. Short. Even goes to Russell. Off the Rex. Gabat fades away. Yes, sir. 84-89 is our score. 5-point advantage by Batang Cavite. Hand off, stolen there. Yes, 2 minutes. Here's our second last service mark of this ball game for our overtime period. 10 on the shot clock for Batang Cavite. Here's Polo, sizing his way in, kicks out. Passes to the wrong man. Here's Cacho. Loading the guns. Messes that one up. Rebound by Rex. Here's Rob for the reception. Up to Dave. Havike down low. Number to go. Rebound by Polo. A minute and 25 remaining. 10 on the shot clock. What an explosion here in our overtime from the Gabat brothers. Here's Havike. Shot clock violation. A minute and 14 remaining. Reyes checks in for Richard Raffles. Reyes checks in for defensive purposes. Here is JP. Rabbit of Gunzalan. Back to Rabbit. JP to Russell. Double pass. Aris is there. Shot overshoots. JP now. Got it at 2. We have under a minute to go. 94-91. PC's off by 3. Here is Rex on the setup. 10 on the shot clock. Off the pick. Passes to Ray. 2X. 1-foot shot. Misses. Fire for the loose board. Makukuha ni Havike. Goes the other way. 29 seconds remaining. It is a 5-point differential between the shot clock and the game clock. Gunzalan to Russell for Dave. The shot clock is off. 13 seconds to go. Here's Polo. 5 seconds remaining. There's the bomb. Here's our second overtime. To the middle, JP fires. Misses Liman Reyes. Here's 3. Reyes on the field. Hand off. Rob has it now. Shot clock at 15. 2 Rex. 10 on the shot clock. Using up the screen for 3. Kaboom! Rex Gaba, 3. Again, Rex Gaba opening up the overtime 3-point shot. Here's Roy. Here's it. Russell picks it up with a spin. Both stays 10 on the shot clock. Foul number 25, that is Geraldo Uplo, penalty. That is 4th personal foul on Geraldo Uplo. 2 free throws for JP Rabbit. He was down to a point, 27 to 96. Here is Rex Gaba now. He's up against Patrick Punza. Shot clock at 10. Here's Rex now. Quick pass, quickly. That is short. Ball goes the other way. Here is Patrick Punza now. Together with Junior Rabe. On the setup he goes to Patrick. All the way to Roy. Castillo back to Punzalan. 10 on the shot clock. To the middle. Ball wasn't stolen by Reyes again. Here's Reynaldo. To Rob. Misses the one up. Rebound by JP. Here's the run now. Rodrigue. The foul is there. Foul number 25, Geraldo Uplo. 5 fouls. Foul there. 2 free throws for Alice Madrid. Patient closing for Alice for the tie. Round 2. Corner play. Points for Alice Madrid. They are up by 1. Next for 3. Misses again. Rebound goes to Roy. Castillo passes to the long man. Pepe. Not in the goal. Rebound by Russell. 80-mil run down. Here is Cacho. Fades away. Not in the goal. JP Garro. 100-97 is our score. He's calling out. Block. There is the whistle. Foul on number 24, that is Alice Madrid. His 3rd personal foul. 2 free throws for Paul Gaba. Substitution. One out of 2 with Paul Gaba. Ivan goes to JP. Rabbit goes to Irish. Stolen by Rex. Here's Gaba now. King of pass. From the right down now. Nowhere to go. Right for the loose board. Knock him away and Roy. Ball goes out. Ball up and over. Pressure the ball. Ball goes to 18. Nasa forward pressure applied by Batang Cavite. It is Russell now. Pacho to the lead. As now to the side. This is going by Reyes. This right now to Junker. Starting by Roy. This is down to Junker. Starting from home. Yes, to here's JP now. There you look at. This is by Bobby. A foul on number 4. That is Renato Reyes. Renato Reyes. 2 fouls. Foul down. For Patrick Whistletime. Here's follow. Where is he? He's blocked. Block is on the road. One misses. Here is Lisa. Follow rather. Is it in? Yes. 184 to 100 is our score. Here's Roy. Castillo takes the lead. Passes stolen. Here is Duncan. That's for game. No, Viva